If you're a freelancer, you're a business owner, you're an influencer, or even you're a content creator out there, this video is directly for you, because in today's video, I'm going to help you guys stay safe on the internet, especially when it comes to downloading files and clicking on links. Now, picture this scenario. You are browsing on the internet, or you get sent a DM by some brand out there and they send you a link for a website that you're supposed to promote. And you're not too sure about the link. Like, the link looks sketchy, right? Now, I'm going to show you a free tool that will allow you to scan the link to make sure that it does not contain any malware, virus, or any phishing tool embedded in it. And the same goes for files too. And it does all of this in a matter of seconds. And the best part is that you do not have to download any software onto your mobile phone or your laptop. You do everything on the web. So without wasting much time, let me show you what this tool is. Now, the tool is called VirusTotal. Now, VirusTotal is a web-based antivirus platform that will scan every single link and every single file that you upload in a matter of seconds. It was initially developed by a Spanish security company in 2004 and was later acquired by Google in 2012. Alright, so currently Google owns the rights to VirusTotal. So that should put your mind at ease that it's a safe website that will do its job 100%. Okay, so let me show you how you guys can use this to scan for your links and your files. Let's say you just downloaded a file from an unknown source, maybe a plugin or a cracked software, or even a resume from a stranger. Head over to virustotal.com, choose the file button, select the suspicious file from your computer, and hit confirm. Now, VirusTotal will now scan using different and dozens of antivirus engines. After a few seconds, it will give you a full detailed report. Now, if you see all greens on your screen, it means that the file is safe and you can open it and interact with it. But if you see 2 or 3 reds, it means that the file, some systems have flagged it as malicious software or as software that you should open or interact with caution. Okay, but if you see more than 30 of them giving you red, then you know that that file is dangerous, so just delete it and do not bother opening it at all. Now, the second one is for the links. So let's say you get sent a link, or you see a link on social media. All you need to do is copy the link or the URL and paste it into the search box and click on search. Now, what this will do is it will also scan the link and check if the link is connected to any phishing scam or host any malicious software in it. And it will do the same thing by giving you all greens if everything is okay, and it will give you some reds if some engine detected. Again, if you see a lot of reds, know that this link is bad for you and you should avoid it at all costs. Now, for those of you who are more technical and those of you who are more tech savvy, you can go a step further to check more information. If you click on the details tab, it will show you file metadata, hash info, and creation data. And you can even sign up for their community, where you can let other community members vote and even tell you more about that kind of website or that kind of software if they have had experience with it or they have prior knowledge about what that kind of software or link does, right? And last but not least is the relations tab, which shows how this file is connected to other known threats. Now, I want to give you guys a few tips before I go. One is always scan your files from all these websites before you even open them so that you can stay safe. 2 is use VirusTotal as a secondary defense to your antivirus so that you can scan links and other software that you feel are malicious to you. Also, do not ignore the red flags. If something feels off, that's because it is. So just stay away from it. And do not get your device or your PC infected. Now, if you found this video useful, please give me a like. If you are definitely going to use VirusTotal, let me know in the comment section what you used it for and how was it and how you interacted with it. Also, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so you don't miss more updates like this. Until then, I'll see you in the next video.